Hey guys, welcome to the instructional video for the activities of today. As always kids, we have been working on 3 activities each day, so 3 activities is going to be as well. Now the first one that you guys are going to do is activity number 1. You're going to change part of a story. Now you guys are going to watch a video as you guys has always been doing, but instead of changing the ending of the story, like I always ask, now you guys are going to change a particular part of the story. Okay, you are going to change from the minute 3:17 till 4:06. So in that period of time, whatever happens between the minute 3:17 and 4:06, in that space, whatever is happening in the story that you guys are going to watch, that part is going to be eliminated and you will have to make a different scenario. Now again, in the document you already have the link of the story and you have the numbers that I'm telling you right now in case you don't understand the number 317 or the number 4:06. So once again, when you're watching the video, on the bottom part you mostly have an idea of how long is the video, right? Because when you're watching the video you can just see how the time that is passing from the video. So it's as soon as you start watching it, you'll see 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So first I recommend you guys to watch the whole video completely. Once you watch it, rewatch it again, and this time with the idea that you are going to change the section of 3:17 and 4:06. So when you're watching it on YouTube and you put your signal of the mouse in the timeline, you're going to see the minutes go by, and then as soon as you see 3:17, mark it there. Mark it because from 3:17 all the way to 4:06 is the part that you are going to eliminate and make a new part of it. You're going to make a new section of it, whatever you want, whatever you think will be appropriate for the story, whatever you consider to be genuine, whatever you like. So as long as it's not the same, as long as it doesn't remain the same form. And that's activity number 1. So watch the video and change what happens between 3:17 and 4:06. For activity number 2 and activity number 3, we're going to be working on the AMCO book. We're going to be working on page 54 and on page 55. Now, both of these activities are quite easy for you guys. So the first one, which is page 54, this one right here, you're going to fix this part. So it says, read the words. If the words is spelled correctly, draw a check mark on the line. If it's incorrect, rewrite it correctly on the line. Now these words right here are the words from your word list. The past word list from page 51 are these ones. So check them out, see if they are written correctly, and the ones that are correctly, put the check mark, and the ones that are not correctly, put the word appropriate, the one that is supposed to be correct, and that will be for page 54, which is the square on the top. Now for page 55, which is activity number 3, read through the sentences below. If the underlined word is used incorrectly, choose another word from the list to replace it. If the correct, write correct on the line. Almost the same as this squares. Now in this part, the sentences here, you have some words that are underlined. Those words, you need to see if those words are according to the sentence, if they make sense in the sentence. If they don't make sense, change it for another word from the word list, again page 51, that makes sense. If the sentence makes sense with that word, you are going to write at the end right here, you're going to write correct. Okay, now the one on the bottom, this part right here, you guys are not going to do that part. The only part that you're going to do is the top part right here from page 55. This part, you're not going to do it. This part, you will do this part. And also, from page 54, this part is the one that you're going to answer, and this part, you're not going to do anything here. So only the top parts are the ones that you're going to do, and that will be activity number 2 and activity number 3. So be sure to check the documents where you have this information, and if any doubts, please let me know. Send me a comment. Send me a comment to the Google Classroom. Okay, send it exactly where it says novedades, so we can see if you have any struggles, any problems with it. So guys, that will be it. 3 activities, relatively easy. Be sure to check out the documents that you have here in the classroom. Be safe, and we'll see each other soon.